Hey guys, welcome back. This is Bernard from the BTNHD, and today, guys, I'm going to show you a little bit about Office 2013 and group policies. Now, I've been deploying Office 2013 to some of my clients, and a lot of them have been complaining about this. As soon as you first start an Excel or Word or PowerPoint application, you get this little annoying welcome to your new office. A lot of people don't want this. So there is a group policy that you could create within your domain controller. But the problem is you have to get the templates. So I'm gonna close this up and I'm gonna post this link at the bottom of the description so you guys can get a copy. And this is where you could get or receive the Office 2013 administrative templates files, which is the ADMX or the ADML for your Office customization tools. You're able to customize your Office even more within a group policy settings. So that's awesome. So you download it. There's two versions, 64-bit, 32-bit. And once you download, I think it downloads as a zip file. Extract that stuff. I'm going to minimize this because I already have the files right here. I have the 64-bit and I have the 86-bit folder with all the ADMX files. So I'm going to deploy, let's say I'm deploying a bunch of GPOs for my 64-bit machines. So from here, you want to go inside the ADMX, and all these files right here, right in the main root of your ADMX, you have to copy all of them. So I'm just going to select all of them, and I'm just going to do Control-C. And I'm doing everything on a Windows Server 2012 R2 environment, and I'm going to right-click on my Start menu. I'm going to go to Run, and you want to type in %system root %\policy definitions, and it's going to take you to where the other rest of the ADMX files are at. And I'm going to do a Control-V, and it's going to paste all the new ADMX files in there. I think did it do it? It was just too fast, right? So let's do it one more time. Let's just drag it and drop it in there. There you go. Just replace all 13. Awesome. Cool. Now, the next thing that you need to do is you also have to drop in your ADML files. So within the ENUS, you have your ADML. So you go inside right here and just copy all that and just drag it and drop it inside that folder. And that's it. You're good to go. Now, let's create our first GPO. Now, again, the whole process of creating this GPO is to eliminate that welcome screen for a client, but you could do much more with these templates. So I'm going to open up my group policy manager editor. Let's double click on that, expand it. Let's expand our forest, go to domains. My domain is bjtech.edu. It's probably a little something different from yours. Then we need to do is create our first GPO. So I'm just going to right click the main domain, and I'm just going to create it here. So let's go create a GPO. Let's call it Disable Office 2013 welcome screen. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Press OK. And I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to edit. And it's going to open up the group policy manager editor for the computer configuration as well as the user configuration, because that's what we want. I'm going to double click on this, and I'm going to expand this a little bit. And because the welcome screen is based on a user profile, we need to do everything inside the user configuration node. Let's go inside user configuration node. We want to go inside policies. Within policies, we want to go into administrative templates. We want to go into the Microsoft Office 2013. Beautiful. And from here, Office 2013, we want to go into the node that says first run. Now, for first run, you have a couple of them. You have disable first run movie or disable Office first run on application boot. Now, this is the one that I want to configure. So double click on that. And right here, you want to enable it. Awesome. And apply it. And once you enable this policy, the Office first run does not run on the first application boot. And that's what my client wanted. And we press OK. But as you can see, once you drag and drop those ADMX files inside this policy definition folder, as well as your ADML inside your ENUS folder, and you go inside and you start creating a group policy, you're going to get all this goodness, all this awesome stuff that you could just configure your Office 2013 using GPOs. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget about hitting that like button because it does support the video as well as this guy. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.